Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur only the background on your videos in CapCut PC. So, copy and paste your video and select the background video, go to Effects and go to Blur, and you're just going to add that in to the background video, like so. Then select the second video here, go to Cutout and select Auto Cutout. If it's too blurry, just select the video here again. Go to Basics, select Blur, and select the pencil icon, and you can adjust how blurry you want it to be. So that's not too blurry, but it blurs it enough. You can also go to the second video, go to Adjustments, and make it a little bit clearer, but not too much that it looks fake. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!